Good morning, everyone. I wanted to take a little bit of time to show you how to get to your Greenhand degree and your chapter application degree. The Greenhand degree is for ninth graders who have started their SAE, and it's not that hard. You just have to start your SAE and maybe come to an event. Then for the chapter degree, it's a little bit more difficult. You need to have some hours in your degree, and then come to a couple events as well and have a little bit of community service. So I'm going to show you how to get to those applications. So you have to log into your AET account, and then you click on reports on the right hand side. And then there's this thing here called the Degree and Application Manager. This is where you find all your degree and applications. So the Greenhand, the chapter, and the Keystone degree when you're a senior are all on there. The county degree is not. That's the one that you get when you're a junior, and the discovery degree is not, which is a 7th and 8th grade one. So you click on this. It's giving me some information here because I'm on a fake account. But you open this up right here, and there's a lot of things. So Agri-Science Fair, American degree, which is after you're a senior, generic chapter, Pennsylvania FFA chapter, Greenhand State Proficiency Research, and SAE Grant. If you want to know about any of these things, please let me know. In the meantime, I'll just click on the Greenhand one. If you're a sophomore, you'll click on the chapter one, and you'll hit Add New, and then it'll pop up down here at the bottom. And then you hit Application when you're ready. If you accidentally add one, you can delete it on the right-hand side. After you open it, it gives you some instructions here. Make sure you read all of this first, and then you can click through everything over here on the left. So the covers first. A lot of the times they give you this information here, like what special things that you can do. So you go through and make sure a lot of this is already going to be filled in if you already have it filled in on your AT. This supporting records, watch this video. It's going to help you figure out exactly what to put in at this section. But go through, make sure that you have this all set up. Make sure that you have a complete record book report. So you need to go here. This will already be filled in, or this is just to help you out. This isn't already filled in. That's just to help you out with your complete record book report. Your membership check is going to see whether you're a member or not. This person is not a member because it's a fake account. And then the checklist. The checklist is just the final thing to go through and say, have you met these criteria? And then last thing you'll do is print the application. So you'll click print. Right now it's just going to let me generate a draft. Once you have everything that's met, it will let you print it. You'll print it, you'll staple it, and you'll give it to me, and then I'll review it, and you'll come to Banquet, and if you've received it, you'll receive your certification at Banquet. So I hope you all will think about filling this out. 9th graders is the Greenhand, 10th graders is the chapter. So if you need any help, please come see me.